creeps through the blinds. I hear wings before I open my eyes. Every sound in the air feels like you're moving somewhere. I don't look up like I used to. I don't chase what I can't hold. Every feathered silhouette feels like a story you told. You said you needed room to fly. Said love shouldn't feel like chains. I was trying to make a home. You were trying to escape. I'm scared of birds now, every time they touch the sky. 'Cause they leave like you did. Yeah, they leave every time. I'm scared of birds now, every wing feels like you. Spread your arms, let me go. Now I can't look up. I'm scared of birds now. There's a pigeon on the curb, like it's daring me to stare. I swear it's got your confidence, like it knows it's going somewhere. You always hated standing still, said forever felt too small. I was building something real, you were already gone. Now freedom sounds like flapping wings. Every flyaway hurts the same. You didn't mean to break my heart, you just followed your name. I'm scared of birds now, every time they touch the sky. 'Cause they leave like you did. Yeah, they leave every time. I'm scared of birds now, every wing feels like you. Spread your arms, let me go. Now I can't look up. I'm scared of birds now. Love ain't meant to last. Maybe some hearts aren't meant to land. Maybe you were teaching me how to loosen my hands. But every time the clouds move slow and I hear that beating sound, I relive the moment you didn't turn around. You flew, I stayed. I'm scared of birds now, every time they touch the sky. 'Cause they leave like you did. Yeah, they leave every time. I'm scared of birds now, every wing feels like you. It feels like you. Spread your arms, let me go. Now I can't look up. Now I can't look up. I'm scared of birds now. Maybe one day I'll look up, and it won't hurt like it does. But tonight every bird in the sky feels like you, flying off with a mind.